Welcome back, children, to the same chapter PowerPoint 2016. Adding a new slide. While creating a presentation, we may need to insert new slide in it. We can add any number of slide as per the need. Whenever we add a new slide in a presentation, we must select its layout first. Open an existing presentation. For example, any presentation here, presentation 1 is open. Now click on the new slide button in the slide group on the home tab. Now you will find the here this different types of layouts, slide layouts are displayed. Now you can click and select any of the layout of your choice. For example, I am selecting title slide. So you can see this is the title. By default it is title, and if I want to select some another layout, so I will select from like this. Like last time I have told you, this is for comparison. Now children, the shortcut key for the new slide is Ctrl plus M. So if I press Ctrl plus M, I will get a new slide. Now suppose children, if I want to add a picture in this slide, how to add pictures to the slide? So suppose here first I am deleting some slides, like this 3. How I delete it? Right click on it and click on delete slide. Same way, right click on it and click on delete slide. Now children, this is the slide. Now here I want to add a picture or insert a picture. So these are the different tabs we have. So in insert tab, select picture option. Now we have two options here, this device or online picture. Now online picture means if you click on it, when it is connected to internet, then you will select any images from the internet and put it in your slide. But I'm not doing that. Close it and click on the picture again and click on this device. When you click on this device, so the device, whatever the picture it has, so it we can insert on it. For example, like for example, I want to insert this GIF image. So you can see this is the image, and clicking and dragging anywhere I can move the pictures. Now when I click on this play button, it will be displayed. This is the GIF image. Okay children, animation image. But if I want to insert a simple image, same way, click on insert, click on picture, this device, and select a picture, like for example this one, and click on insert. So I get this picture. If I want to, no, if I want to delete this, so I will select it. You can change the size and click on delete. If I want to click this one also, so first I will change the side and press the key delete. Now when you select, you can see the dotted lines are there at the boundary side. So this means this picture is selected, and I can move by pressing the left mouse button and dragging on it. If I want to change the size of, resize this picture, so I can do it like this. You can see the arrow is there, so I will change the size like this and even like this. So I can change the size horizontally wise or vertical wise too. Okay, so depend upon your choice, you can change. Now children, how to see the slideshow? So first I will save this presentation. Now how to save it? Click on the file tab and click on the save button and select the place where you want to save. For example, here I want to save, so click on save. Now closing and exiting a presentation. To close a presentation, click on the file tab and select the close option. So the presentation will be closed, but the PowerPoint application will be remain same. And now to exit the PowerPoint 2016, so we can click on this cross button, this close button on the title bar, or we can use the shortcut keys Alt plus F4. So I am clicking on it, so my application is closed. Now how to open the same presentation? So first of all, opening a presentation, so click on the start button, click on the PowerPoint, click on the blank presentation. Now I want to open my same presentation. For that, click on the file tab and select open option from the drop down menu. The option related to the open will display in the right pane. Now click on the browse button. The open dialog box will appear, and locate and select the file name. Now how to see a slideshow, children? Now one more thing I want to tell you before that, close this. Now see, children, I want to show you some folders, how it looked the presentation. Like if suppose I have the presentation, now this is the presentation. Now how I know this is presentation? So you can see the symbol P, this symbol. So this is the symbol of the presentation. So from this symbol I get to know that this is a PowerPoint presentation file. So I will click on the PowerPoint presentation file, so it's open. And to view the slideshow of it, now this many slides are there, and you can see the slides numbering is there, 1 2 3, like this. It is in serial wise. Now if I want to see the slideshow, so Microsoft PowerPoint provide the option of combining all the slides of presentation into the slideshow. It is just like a picture in the photo album. It display all the slides in the presentation one by one on the screen. Now how to see that is, click on the slideshow tab and select the either of the following option, like from the beginning. Here in the slideshow, from the beginning you can select, or means it will start from the beginning. And if I click on from the current slide, suppose I am on the slide number 4, so it will start from this slide. Now this is the present online. This feature broadcasts the slideshow to remote viewers who can watch it through the web browser. Now if I want to select, now this is the custom slideshow. Now it display only the slide that you want to select. Now the shortcut key for the slideshow is F5. So if I press F5, if I want to see the presentation from beginning, so I will click from beginning, or I will use this symbol slideshow. So click on it. So one by one the slide presentation will be displayed. By clicking the right arrow, the next slide comes.